Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be getting a Bobcat E35i Bobcat mini excavator to do some clearing on the property. So what I'm doing right now is I'm walking down to where I'm going to meet the delivery guy for the machine. He's gonna be here in 45. I'm gonna walk down now. Make it a little easier on us. And what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna drive it, basically. I'm gonna track it all the way up to the house because it's on a rollback. And it's a giant pain to get a rollback up this driveway, especially for a Mini X. So, that being said, I will see you guys whenever the mini excavator arrives. You have fun, take away. You have fun, take away. I've been thinking to be happier, to be happier. I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind of the fire that we've begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, cause with all that has happened I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Someone you leave behind, I'll break your heart so you don't break mine. For I love you, na na na. Gonna leave you, na na na. Even if I am not here to stay, I still want you home. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in the fantasy? Where are you now? I wanna raise your spirits. I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. Under the bright, the fading lights, you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you want to change my mind.